Good morning. It is Topic Tuesday. I'm coming to you a wee bit early this week because I have something else scheduled when I normally do this, so I am doing it early. All right, so today we are going to talk about how to be less judgy of ourselves. We can be really brutal to ourselves, right? Sometimes, sometimes a lot. We are our own worst bully. And one of the things that I tell my clients a lot from like the beginning is when you end up doing something that you swore you were not going to do again, or that you really want to improve on and you had a bad day, or just anywhere where we find ourselves like being really harsh on ourselves, instead of doing that, take a pause and then be curious. Be curious about what just happened. For example, let's say you were going to follow through on a task that you said you were going to follow through on, and then it didn't happen. Or you're noticing it's not happening. Let's do that one. You're noticing it's not happening, and you know how we are. We get in our heads and we're like, just do the thing. Why can't I do the thing? What's wrong with me? I'm so lazy. I'm so this. I'm so that. I just need to do it. Why can't I do it? Instead of going down that road, which is well covered territory, and how well has that served you, do this instead. Just say, okay, I'm noticing I'm not doing the thing. So let's just be curious about it. Am I feeling anxious about it? How do I feel in my body right now? How am I feeling? How's my breathing? Is there something about this that I am not clear on, and that's what's keeping me from doing it? Is there something that I have to do with this task that maybe intimidates me? Is there something that maybe there's too many steps and I'm not sure which one to take next? By getting curious about what it is you are avoiding, for example, very often the answer that you need will come to you more naturally. Whereas if we're forcing ourselves to try to come up with an answer, and why can't I do this? And we are being so harsh on ourselves, it cuts off any communication with anything good. Ask me how I know this. So be curious the next time you find yourself judging yourself, and actually the next time you find yourself judging anybody else too, for that matter. But definitely when you're judging yourself, just take the time to be curious, ask yourself questions, ask as if you are a third party looking in and have no emotional say in the matter. Just be curious. It is going to save you a lot of heartache and a lot of bullying to yourself, and you might actually come up with the answers that you need. All right. All right. So that is today's Topic Tuesday. I look forward to seeing you next week as well. Actually, will I be seeing you next week? Next week is spring break. I'm not entirely sure I will be on. I will try to, but things are kind of up in the air right now. So if I don't, then I'll see you in 2 weeks. But if I do, then yay. And regardless, have a fabulous week, y'all.